Hello everybody, my name is Tian. My family, there are three people are there. My father, my mother, and me. They are worker, but they have to be restaurant, and they currently live in Hưng Yên City. Um, I'm studying at Hanoi Open University. Major is long. Uh, I studying in Hanoi City, so we don't live together. I so sad. Um, my family didn't live in a paternal grandparent because they didn't when I was young. I want to live with my family. I love you so much. Um, after
Giới thiệu như nào?
after I and Thái sing a song Love a Blind Die.